Take a ride in the 2018 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, automatic transmission, front wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, power windows, power door locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.